Hi guys, so in this video I'll be telling you what are comparison operators in Python. So the first one is double equal to, so this basically compares two values. Alright, so if I write print double equal to and on the left hand side I write some value like 2 and on the right side also. So in this case 2 equal to 3, is this correct? Obviously this isn't, 2 is not equal to 3. So this will print false, which basically implies that it is an incorrect statement. Alright, and if it would have been a correct statement, like in this case, then it prints true. So as you can see, it printed true. Now moving on to the next one, which is not equal to operator. So this basically compares the left operator with the right operator if they both are not equal. Okay, if they both are not equal, then it prints true, otherwise false. So in this case, 2 is equal to 2, so this will be false. But if I replace it with 3, so obviously 2 not equal to 3, this is a true statement. So that's what it is. So just replace this symbol with the meaning. Okay, 2 not equal to 3. Is this correct or not? That's what it's gonna print. True or false. It's correct or not correct. So if I now choose the greater than symbol, so this operator basically checks whether the number on the left hand side is greater than the number on the right hand side. So if that is true, then it will obviously print true, and if this is false, then it will print false. So in this case, obviously 2 is not greater than 3, so it prints false. But what if I write 20 here? So obviously 20 greater than 3, this is a true condition. So it prints true. Similarly, you can check for less than as well and let me know what will be the output of this thing. Okay. Now moving on to the next operator, which is greater than equal to. So what does greater than equal to basically mean is, if we have written 20 greater than equal to 2 for example. Okay, so let's assume this is our expression, and what will happen now, it will first of all check if 20 is greater than 2. If this is a true condition, then it will automatically print true in this case. But what if this is false? So let's assume this is 20 here. Okay, then obviously 20 greater than 20, this is a false condition. Now what it will do, it will again check whether 20 is equal to 20. Okay, if this is true, then obviously it will print true. But now what if this is also false? Okay, so we have something like 201 here. So in this case also 201 fails. Okay, so basically in both the conditions it is a false that is being returned. So ultimately false will be the answer. So if we run this now, this will print true. And even if we replace this with 20, then also this will be true. And now if we replace it with a greater number on the right side, then it will be ultimately be false. So as you can see, now the same thing is for less than also. Let me quickly tell you that as well. So if I have written this, then what does it mean? It will first of all check whether 20 is less than 201 or not. Okay, so in this case, this is a true condition. This is a true condition, and if this is by chance false, so if we have 202 here, then obviously this would have been a false condition. So what would it do in that case? Then it will move on to the next part, which is checking for equal to. So it would have checked whether they both are equal. So again, in this case, obviously this is also false. So ultimately it will return false. But what if we have 202 on both the side? Okay, then obviously this is a true condition and we will get true as the answer. So again, let me run this. So in this case, 20 is less than 201, so it will print true. If we replace 201 here, so first of all it will check whether 201 is less than 201. Obviously this is false. Then it will check whether 201 is equal to 201. This is true, so we will get true as the answer. All right. Now what if there is a larger number here like this? So in this case, both the conditions are getting false, so ultimately we get false as the answer. So that's all for the video, guys. That's all for the comparison operators. And if you like the video, please hit the like button as well as subscribe the channel if you want more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.